take off.
Hello everybody, this is Goldie here with your daily tech tips and tricks, and today you are watching TechG, and it's been a while since the last couple of videos. So let's get started with our top 5 Google tips and tricks series. At number 5, my friends, I have Google Anti-Gravity. To activate Google Anti-Gravity mode, what you need is to type Google Anti-Gravity in the search box. I'll just paste it because I copied it earlier, as you can see, and then press I'm feeling lucky icon. Now Google has lost gravity. You can just click stuff and throw it right away, do whatever you want with it. And there is also another mode that Google offers, and it's Google Gravity. Let me see. Google Gravity. Yes, this one. I'll again press the I'm feeling lucky icon and see Google is now affected by gravity. Everything is like just fell down from the sky. You could also toss it right now and just keep clicking for fun. These are our 5th place Google trick. At number 4, my friends, I have Google underwater search. This is also very popular today because you'll know just in a second. Water search, as you can see right now. Yes, Google underwater search, then press I'm feeling lucky, and the whole Google now will just fall from the sky into the water. Now let me show one more thing about it. Just type anything into the search box. For example, I typed anti because I don't have another idea in my mind yet, and then press I'm feeling lucky instead of search, and you will see gold is raining from the skies, my friends. You could also make waves like this, and fishes also stop when you make waves, and gold starts to float. So this is our number 4. Let's move to the next one. At number 3, my friends, I have Google Zerg Rush. Yes, my friends, you can play Zerg Rush on Google. Let's just type it into the search box. Press I'm feeling lucky, and yes, you can see the search results has appeared, and there are little these alien-like things trying to attack your data. You have to just click them and destroy them away before you eat your data. And let me also know that they came from every direction they want to. Just click, and if they eat all of your data, then they'll win, and the score will be displayed in last. And here's your APM count and other things for your game to play, also points. Now you can see I have lost the game, so they are making something. Let me skip to that point. So they make double G means a good game. Thank you. Let's move on to the next one. At number 2, my friends, I have another mini game for you. You might remember it from the start, and you must have played before. This is Google Pac-Man. Yes friends, I'm not joking. You can play Pac-Man on Google. Just type Google Pac-Man, click insert coin, and then I'm feeling lucky I can just start playing Pac-Man. You can control the Pac-Man from the keyboard keys, and it's a classic game as you may have remember. Let me tell you one thing that I don't know how to play Pac-Man well, so it's my first try. I don't know how. Oh, I can eat ghosts. Wow. Oh, my game is over. So let's move on to our number one. This is it. For number one, my friends, let me just disconnect my internet connection first. And you might know this one. It's one of very popular Google trick, and many of users are using it today. Just go to Chrome, Mozilla, or any other web browser you are using at the moment. Click search, and now you'll see there is an empty screen saying there is no internet connection. But there's something more in this screen. You see this little creature, this dinosaur? You wanna make it alive? Play with it? Just place spacebar on your keyboard. And here it is, dinosaur run in Google. Just hop above those cactus or whatever there is. As you reach the highest score, the night time will approach and will give you bonus points. And this is our last series. Friends, let me know if you like my video. Just give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also click that notification icon so you don't miss my future uploads. Peace out. Oh no, I am addicted. I can't stop playing this game. Okay, bye friends.